Hello everyone and welcome to Travelog View. Guys, today we have Hutu 3D VR headset. We'll unbox the product and check what the company has to offer us. So as you can see, this is the kind of packaging you would get with this 3D VR headset that is manufactured by Hutu. As you can see, it comes in a nice white box. As I'll just turn it around and you would be able to see the barcode which says Hutu 3D headset external remote needed. We'll just check what exactly the box content is and what we get in the box. So if you turn it around, you would get the manufacturer details, the price and the model, the brand. Now let's unbox the product. So here you would get the device, that is the VR headset. We'll just keep it aside. And you would get the user manual inside. We'll check the manual first. It says hello and you would get Hutu virtual reality headset user guide. So here you would get all how to adjust the product and how you can make it comfortable according to your need. And also the Hutu products are covered by a 12-month limited warranty from the date of original purchase. This is the user guide, so if you want to read it, you can just go ahead and read this user guide, but it's kind of simple to use this device. So we'll just jump onto the device and check how is the build quality. This is the device. It comes within branding of Hutu Ultra VR box. So this is the section where you would place your smartphone. So we'll just check the build quality as per now. This is the Hutu virtual reality 3D box. Comes with a model of HTVR002. It says it's made in China. As you can see, you would get the cushions here. It's kind of sponge. The first impression looks great. So if you talk about the build quality, it's kind of fine, not exactly great. So this is the magnetic trigger that they were talking about. So yeah, this is the product, this is the quality. The quality looks fine, not great. Now we'll just check the product. So as you can see, this is the clip. You just need to push it to open the box, and as you can see, the lenses. This is the cushion where you would be able to put your smartphone in, and also you would be able to adjust your smartphone size. So it supports up to 6.5 inches of smartphone. If your smartphone is less than 6.5 inches, it would easily fit in this VR box. As you can see, you can just adjust your smartphone by pulling this inside and pulling this back, and you can put the smartphone in this compartment. So you have got on both the sides. So this is the thing, you can just pull them out if your smartphone is big, and if your smartphone is small, you can just pull them together to fit in your smartphone. So now we'll just close this as of for now. So as you can see, the vents are given on both the sides, top, and at the bottom of the device you would be able to see the vents as well on both the sides. So to open this compartment, you just need to knock this off and you just need to open it, and from here, as I told you, you can just adjust according to the size of the phone. All you need to do is you just need to put your phone here. So this is the Sony Xperia, which has a screen size of approximately 6 inches. So you just need to put in here, adjust it accordingly, and you can just close and lock it down. So if we talk about the strap, so you can see it's angled here on the top of the device and on the other part as well. So the quality of the strap is really nice. It's sturdy. So you can just adjust according to your head size. So this thing is made to give your head support, a proper support. Cushion quality is nice but not great. So this is the magnetic trigger that the company was talking about. So you can, if you want, you can just remove it as well, and if you want, you can just put this back on. Simple. Bottom of the device, you would be able to see two of the buttons with which you can just adjust the lens distance. So these buttons do not adjust the focus part, it just adjusts the distance between the lenses. So we'll just open it and check how is the quality of this lens. You can just remove the lens and clean it if you want. So this is the quality of the lens, as you can see. So the overall quality of the product is nice, but it's not that great. I purchased this product in the month of February from Amazon.com, and it comes with a price tag of 3,000 and 5,000. The company has two variants. One variant is of 3,000 and another variant is of 5,000. If you check the price, the product doesn't live up to the expectations of 3,000, because you will not find anything electronic inside this. It's just the compartment just to see through, and there are two lenses that have been attached. So I do not see anything that could range up to 3,000 or 5,000. So if you are planning to purchase this product, you would find the link in the description below. So this was the video review for Who2 virtual reality 3D glasses. If you find this video helpful and if you like the video, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. This is Anurag signing off.